Christian here with Everything Residential. Today we're installing an easy and very affordable Delta. Now, just because it's easy and affordable doesn't mean we're losing quality. This is still a very high quality door. It's a Delta shower glass door. This is for a bathtub. So let's roll the intro and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we're here in the bathroom. Check this out. Beautiful tile. It just got done. You can see the drywall repair. Nice tub. So let's roll right into how we're gonna start doing it. First things first, you're gonna get this piece. Now you're supposed to put it 1/4 of an inch off the tub. So this side should be over here, but we're doing it this way because it's glass tile and this piece lines up right on that grout line. So I already talked to the homeowner about it. He doesn't care. Some people might care about that aesthetics of, like, you know, that 1/4 inch off the tub. We're making it as flush as we can so we could drill into grout. So you're gonna make sure it's leveled up. You're going to tape it so it's level. Now, just to fast forward, go ahead and pop these on right here. Just pop these on, go. Okay. Hold it still, and then go ahead and mark where it's going. Okay, so we marked that. Now come down here. It says 1 inch down. This is what you could do right here. I'm going down to the grout line, and we're marking the grout line, okay? So we'll mark it here for the grout line, and then we'll know we're gonna go right here to drill it. Come down here. We're gonna go to the second grout line. It says 4 inches, but we're just gonna go right to there, and we're gonna know we're gonna drill it right there. So we have it marked here. We got it marked there. Let's go ahead and get the level and double check if we're level. We're golden. So that's as best as we can make it. So we're hitting all the grout lines. Let's go ahead and drill it. Okay, here's the drill that we're using. We just bought it. I think it's a Milwaukee 5/16. We have the other like hole saw with diamonds, but this is specifically made for glass. It says it on the package, so that's why we got it. So I'm hoping it doesn't break. Okay, here it is right here. So we're going to anchor our thing into it. As you can see, it says close it like that, put it in the hole. But here's the thing. You saw the 5/16 drill bit. It's very difficult to get in there, very difficult. Now, the reason I wanted to use these, let's drill this one down here. Okay, so it's not really working out. The reason I wanted to use these is, let's show Nathan real quick with the screw. I think this is the screw it comes with right here, is that right? Yeah. So this is made to slide on. You can see that. But I knew this was gonna happen, so we went and bought this pack right here. It's still a 5/16 drill bit, as you can see that. And this is the screw that it comes with. And it also fits. Now I trust these much more than I do the ones that it came with. So still seems low lines. And then come on, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. No broken tile.
Give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, baby.
I'll show you how we put on the bar. Our screws are in. Just want to line up the grooves there. Bada bing, bada boom.
There it is.
Using that 100% all-purpose silicone. We want it clear so you could still see all the hardware in the shower. Go for Barney.
All right, here we go. We're on step number 13. And so we're measuring for this guy right here. Now, as you see here, you're measuring from wall to wall, not from end point to end point, or, like, you know, inner points. So this is what it looks like here. So when we measure this, it's very simple, people, very simple. Get our tape measure. You could give it a 1/16 of an inch for play. It looks like we're at 57, and we could go 5/8, but we're gonna do it at a half. 57 and a half is what we're gonna do it at. Okay, so Nate the Great's phenomenal cutting. Check this out. This is how much play we have, which is perfect. You don't want it super tight. It's glass tile. It's like pushed up against glass tile. Now we'll silicone this down and it'll be good. Next up is we're gonna cut this top bar, and then we'll put our middle piece in right here, the little divider piece. So we'll show you how you do it here. Now this is inside to inside, so we're gonna butt it here. It's pretty much it's a close measurement here. Now inside to inside is gonna be 57 inches on the dot. Let's go cut that outside. Just gotta pop it down. There it is, pop it in. Boom. Boom. And boom. Now let's go to side. We made it as tight as we could. We actually made it about a 30-second too big, and we used this copper sandpaper, or filing, whatever you call it, filed it down, and there it is.
She thick.
For our bottom track right here, we're gonna find the middle point, and we're gonna use a 1/8 drill bit, drill right through there. Make sure it's off the tub when you drill it. And then if you look closely here, where's that piece at, Nate?
That's right here.
If you look closely here, this actually goes like that, boom. See, it's a nice tight fit. So you'll screw from the bottom, and it'll screw into that hole right there. Let's go ahead and, let me see that silicone gun.
Here, I'm gonna wipe.
Oh, you just wipe the tip.
Shut up. That's some silicone, if you ask me.
Oh, there goes my nice little pile. Since it's not a super tight fit, we can just go ahead and put it in there perfectly. Shazam! Push it down. You can see some silicone oozing out right here, which is a good sign.
Means Nate the Great put enough.
Means Nate the Great did his job. We'll probably come back and still do another one. Okay, let's get some frog tape and let's tape it up. So we're measuring 6 inches from the top here down, and then to mark it, you just go ahead and butt it. But I don't believe in touching it. I want a little gap for water to be able to drain. So there's a little gap right there between the rubber gasket and this metal piece. If you can see the little gap, I gap it right to there. So there's a small gap, and it's full send. Now, when we do the bottoms, we're not doing the bottoms yet. It says do the bottoms. We do not do the bottoms until the doors are up. Once the doors are up and they naturally hang that certain way, then we'll line the guide up accordingly.
Doors, doors, we got doors. Hardware's all on. Stainless steel.
Follow the directions, but as you can see, there's this sticker here. That sticker, this big wheel, goes towards that sticker. So it's on this shiny part's on the side where the sticker isn't. And over here, this finish side is on the side of the sticker. Okay, pro tip, when putting this on, you want to silicone it. Can you do both, Nathan? Here you go. Just fill the inside up.
Put it in there, you see it?
That's good. Okay, put the caulk gun down and help me out with it.
Now we're going to apply that pressure. Christian's gonna screw it on in the back. And now you have yourself a sealed tight shower door handle.
Now let's get some tape. Hand me the frog tape if we have any left. Oh, don't come in here and move it. Screw it here. It'll dry like that. Cool. Alright, see the other side. End it. Alright, here it is. We're all complete with the shower door install. Just go ahead and take a look at this and see how beautiful this is. They did a good choice going with Delta, and it's very simple and straightforward. We don't silicone the outside, we only silicone the inside because it makes a more clean and crisp look. And also, if the inside fails, you'll see the water come through, and then because you don't want to trap it in there and cause mold. So there's that. It's all silicone. It smells like vinegar in here big time. We have our handles taped, so after 24 hours, they can undo this and it won't rattle. So it rattles a little bit right now, but after it's dried, it won't rattle. And yep, that's all she wrote. She's good to go for this. You guys have a good day. Make sure you comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, as always, comment. So we're out of here. It's Saturday. Time to drink some beer.